Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.5 question number 5. Solve the following riddles. You may yourself construct such riddles. Who am I? Go round a square, counting every corner thrice and no more. Add the count to me to get exactly 34. Right? Suppose go round a square. Suppose this is a square. Suppose this is a square. Square means all the sides are equal. Right? Counting every corner. How many corners? 1, 2, 3 and 4 corners. Right? There are 4 corners. Add the count to me. Suppose let us count to me is x. Right? That means go round a square counting every corner thrice and no more. Thrice. How many corners are there? 4. 4 into 3. That is 4 into 3. That is thrice. Right? And add the count to me. Suppose me is x. I am x. Therefore x plus 4 into 3 to get exactly 34. To get exactly 34. That means x plus 12 is equal to 34. By inspection, by inspection, by trial and error method, by inspection, we get x is equal to 20. What is the value? 22. Because 22 plus 12 is 34. Right? Therefore, the value is 22. So, who am I? I am. Therefore, the value is I am 22. Therefore, the answer is I am 22. I am 22. This is the answer. Now, question number 2. Question number 2 is make each day, make each day of the week, make an up count from me, and if you make no mistake, you will get 23. Right? 1 week, we know that 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Make an up count from me. Up count from me. That is, for each day of the week, make an up count from me. For each day of the week, 1 week equal to 7 days. We know that. Make an up count from me. That means x. Me, let us take me as x. Therefore, you can say that x plus 7. Up count from me. Then, if you make no mistake, you will get 23. X plus 7 is equal to 23. What should we add with 7 to get 23? Therefore, by inspection, you can say that by inspection, x is equal to how much? You have to add by trial and error method. You have to add with such a number such that you will get 23. That means if we subtract it, 23 minus 7, that is 14. That is 23. If we subtract this number, what you are getting, you see, 7. That means what you have to do by inspection, you have to find what is the value of x, right? That means if we subtract this 23 from 7 from 23, then we are getting 6, 6 and 1, that is 16. If we add 16 with 7, we are getting 23. Therefore, what is the value of who am I? That is, the number is I am 16. I am 16. I am 16. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 is, now we will solve question number 3. Now, question number 3 is, Let's rub this one. Let us rub this one. Right. Now question number 3 is question number 3. I am a special number. Take away from me a 6. A whole cricket team you will still be able to fix. Right. That suppose the special number is x. Right. That means the special number is x. X. Take away from me is a 6. 6. Right. A whole cricket team. Whole cricket team means 11 players. That is x. X minus 6 equal to 11. Right. By inspection we will get by inspection we get the value of x as we get the value of x as 17. That is 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. Therefore, who am I? I am 17. The number is 17. I am 17. Now question number 4. Tell me who I am. I shall give a pretty clue. He will get me back if you take me out of 22. If you take me out of 20. Suppose I am x. Right? You will get me back if you take me out of 22. X minus 22 and get the value of x again. Right? What you will find that if you take here, what is the question? Tell me who I am. I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back if you take me out of 22. Right? That means if the value is 22, this is not 22. That means if you take me back, you will get me back if you take me out of 22. That means out of 22, if you take x, you will get again x. Right? Then what is the value of x? We will find in this way that by inspection we are getting by inspection we will get if we take x is equal to 11, then we are getting 22 minus 11 is 11, that we are getting same, that is left hand side is equal to 22 minus 11, that is equal to 11, and right hand side is equal to 11. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore who I am, therefore I am the number is I am 11. I am 11. In this way you have to solve the riddle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.